In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to students in Teachable. If you manage a Teachable school, sometimes the fastest way to reach your learners is a direct message right from your admin area. We'll walk through the full process from finding the email tool to sending a clear, targeted message so you can communicate with confidence. First, log into your Teachable admin area. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Emails tab and click it. This is your hub for all outgoing messages. It keeps everything in one place, so you don't have to juggle a separate email service just to reach your students. Next, select the Compose tab. This opens a new message window and gives you a clean slate to work with. You'll see fields for recipients, a subject line, and a text editor for your message. Before you start typing, choose who should receive the email using the To field. There are 3 useful options. Pick users if you want to reach specific individuals. You can search by name and make sure you're contacting exactly who you intend to. Choose course if you need to email everyone enrolled in a particular course, perfect for sending updates, reminders, or new resources related to that class. And if you have an announcement that truly applies to your entire school, select all users to broadcast it to everyone. As a best practice, double-check this choice before moving on, especially with all users, to avoid over-messaging people who don't need the update. Now draft your email. Start with a clear, specific subject line, something that tells recipients exactly why the message matters, like a deadline reminder or a new lesson release. In the editor, write in a friendly, concise tone. Open with context, explain what your students need to know or do, and close with a simple next step or link if needed. Keep paragraphs short and skimmable. If you reference a course, include the course name to remove any guesswork. Before you send, read it once more for clarity and typos. Small edits here can make a big difference in how your message lands. When everything looks right, click the Send button to dispatch the email. Teachable will deliver it to the recipients you selected, and your update will be on its way. That's the full workflow. Go to Emails in your admin area, click Compose, choose the right recipients, write a clear subject and message, and send. With this simple process, you'll keep students informed and engaged right from your Teachable dashboard.